This is the main chassis, and I have designed this suspension system. It contains 10 ball bearings. These are very cheap Chinese made ball bearings with outer diameter of 35 millimeter and the inner diameter is 15 millimeter. So its shaft is 15 millimeter. I have managed 10 shafts for each ball bearing with length of 28 millimeter, and I have bored a hole on each shaft to attach this 3 millimeter screw like this to act as a torsion bar. As I said, this ball bearings will act as the main tank rollers. This is a U-channel plate, acts as the main chassis. Each 3 millimeter screw is attached at one side. The other side, this one, is free to move up and down to absorb the road shocks like this. Now I'm going to demonstrate the mobility test for my RC Panther tank design. I will put this weight to act as the tank weight, the real tank weight, here. And I will put this fire to act as the road curves. Let's see. Actually, I have to fix this file. As you see here, each roller is free to move up and down to absorb the road shocks. So the tank weight, its weight is about 3 kilograms, will stay stable during the movement process. The other side is the same case. The length of the main chassis is 21 centimeter and the width of the tank will be 13 centimeter, and its weight will be about 5 or 6 kilograms. I have insisted to make it heavy to act as a real tank. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next stages for my RC Panther tank design.